Hey everyone, Brian at Stonebridge Insurance here. Wanted to answer a question that we get in our office a lot, especially regarding homeowners and renters insurance policies, is if I have a claim, how do I keep track of my personal property reimbursement? Your homeowner's policy and renters insurance policies have personal property coverage on that, and that's essentially for your stuff. So clothes, furniture, appliances, electronics, all of your things is what's going to fall for the most part under that personal property coverage. So in the event of, let's say, a fire, things get destroyed, what you have to do is you have to turn in to the insurance company a list of all of the things that you had in the house that may have gotten destroyed, or all of the things that you had in your apartment that got destroyed. Not only things like electronics, like TVs and those types of things, but also things like dishes, clothes, silverware, blankets, bedding, all that sorts of thing, because it's all covered under your personal property coverage, and that can be a tedious process. And so what I want to do is I want to give you a couple different things that you can do to prepare in case something like that were to happen. So the first thing that I recommend to all my clients is your bigger ticket items, things with the serial number. Think appliances, electronics, things that you're going to pay $200, $300, $400 or more for, whether you're purchasing that online or purchasing it in the store. There's going to be a serial number for that. And so what you can do is you can go into Google Drive, or you can go into wherever you keep your documents, and just start a spreadsheet of what those items are. You can put in what the item is, specifically the serial number, and you can put in the value of what you purchased it for. You can even take a picture of that receipt, or save a PDF of that receipt and keep it with that document so that you've got proof of that purchase. But having that serial number, that's something right away. If you can email that to your adjuster after the claim's been filed, or if you can print it out, if there's a way you can print it out and give it to them, that's a way where they can start the process of getting you reimbursed quicker, because they can look those things up in their system, and they can get you paid out for that personal property. The second thing is, in every room of your home, take your phone and put it on video mode, and just stand in the middle of the room and just do a 360 around the room slowly, so that you can document all of the things that you have in that room. Now, this is important because in the event of a fire, it's a very traumatic experience, and there's a lot of different things going on, and you have a lot that you have to use your brain power on at that time. And so what you can do, if you can go back to these videos, whether it's 2 weeks, 3 weeks down the road, the dust has settled a little bit, so to speak, and you are able to kind of wrap your head around what has happened, what you can do is you can go back to those videos. You can say, okay, there's the end table that I forgot to put on the list, or there's the painting that I forgot, or the lamp. You've got documentation of the things that you had in that room. Now, you still have to find a way to look online or go to a store and figure out what the price is for those. But by documenting those with a video, you can remember the things that you had in each room at the time of the incident. And the third thing that you can do is, if you want to get really detailed about specific personal property that you have, or even everything that you've got, there are a lot of really good apps that you can download on your phone, where you can take a picture of specific items. You can put detailed notes in there about the item. You can upload receipts for that item, so that you, some of them are free, some of them you have to pay for. So depending on how you feel about that, totally up to you. But you can download an app where you can keep a lot of that information tracked. You can make updates very frequently if you need to, as you purchase things, or as you get rid of things. You can delete that. But that's a way where you can also provide that to your claims adjuster and say, okay, here's a list of my stuff. That's a really detailed example. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can always call our office. We'd be happy to help. Thank you.